Hello friends, you all are welcomed in Philosophy for UPSC exam channel. Next topic of Buddha's philosophy, this is topic 8, Anatmavad or no soul theory. Except Charvaka, all schools of Indian philosophy have faith in external soul. Rebirth is defined only on the basis of a stable soul. According to Buddha, soul is only the flowing of consciousness. There is no any external soul. According to Buddha, faith in concept of eternal soul is laughable. It is just like a faith in love of imaginary beautiful woman. Like William James, Buddha has regarded the soul like a flowing river. Each particles of the water of a river is in changing stage. Even then, there is a harmonious or consistent identity among those particles. Likewise, flowing particles of a stream soul is identified as flowing partition particles of consciousness. Buddha's religious teacher Nagsen has considered the soul as the combination of Panchaskandha. Panchaskandha is known as Roop, Vedana, Sangyan, Sanskar, Vigyan, etc. Askandha is changeable, so soul is also changeable. Buddha's concept of soul is different from that of Upanishads. Upanishads' soul is eternal and out of vision, whereas Buddha's soul is transitory and visible. Like Buddha's, Hume has accepted the soul as flowing of sensations, where it feels hot, cold, light, shadow, pleasure, pain, love, etc. This soul is the collection of sensations. On the basis of flowing consciousness, Buddha has cleared the soul responsible for rebirth. According to Buddha, last step of flowing of consciousness is the first state of future life. Rebirth may be defined without eternal soul. Buddha has refuted Atmavad and he has told that Atmavad is Satkaya view, by which isness emerges, which is main cause of bondage. Bondage, that is worldly life or bandhan, and by it a person is driven away from nirvana or salvation. Thus, feeling of one's own existence leads one towards bandhan, which can be removed only by anatma view. It is anatma view by which attraction towards world is removed, and after that this world is regarded as void or illusion or meaningless. Buddha has directed to adopt 36 anatma discipline, which are distributed into askand, ayatan, and dhatu, which represents the world. Actually, Buddha's Anatmavad is completely different from Brahmin's Shashvatvad and Charvaka's Uchedvad. Anatmavad is the midday meal view Anatmavad is the middle way theory whose main aim is to distract the world to get salvation. Anatmavad or Nairatmavad is of two kinds, Pudgal Nairatmavad and Dharma Nairatmavad. Pudgal Nairatmavad indicates practical existence of Jivatma by which Klesavaran is removed from knowledge. Dharma Nairatmavad and indicates practical existence of matter by which Jnanavaran is removed from knowledge. Clearly, by these two, a person is distracted from the world and climbs on the higher stage of salvation, and ultimately he gets salvation. This is finished here. Actually, Kshanikvad and Anatvad is very simple and very short theories. Such theories are asked in the notes of UPSC exams, but you can get more marks by such theories in the forms of notes. Okay, friend, I will come next theory of Buddha's in coming videos. Thank you, and learn it by hearing properly. Okay, thank you, friend.